extreme storm chaser. With over 2.5 decades chasing storms locally, Panama City's resident storm chasers. Local storm chasing. Local storm photos. Local storm footage. Florida Storm Patrol.
Panama City, Florida, lightning breakdown. You're in the Florida Panhandle, not quite Lightning Alley like Orlando/Tampa, but still a top-tier lightning zone. Here's what your sky is doing. 1. Your local lightning scorecard. Frequency. Bay County sees 12 to 16 cloud-to-ground flashes per square mile per year. Florida as a whole averages 21 strikes per square mile and leads the nation with 76 strikes per square mile in 2024. Timing. 70% of your strikes happen June to August, 2 to 7 p.m. Thunderstorms hit Florida 70 to 100 days each year, and July/August are peak months with the most lightning deaths. Summer thunderstorms are here to stay. Season start. Brevard County data shows lightning ramps hard in June with 4,398 strikes, peaks in August at 6,676. Panama City follows the same Gulf Coast pattern. 2. Types you'll actually see in PC: cloud to ground, the beach clearer. This is your main threat. Florida had approximately 1.4 million CG strikes per year and over 1.2 million in other tallies. In PC, these love the beaches, fishing piers, and boats. Water plus flat plus U equals prime target. 4 lightning deaths happened in Florida in 2023 alone. Bolt from the blue, the Panhandle Sniper. Biggest danger on PC beaches. Storms sitting over Eglin AFB or inland, skies blue over Panama City Beach. And cracked, a strike travels 20 plus miles sideways to hit sand. Just cause it's clear overhead and dark inland doesn't mean you are safe. Don't wait for rain to fall to leave the beaches. Anvil crawlers, the night show. Gulf storms after sunset throw these. The anvil spreads 20 plus miles and lights up like veins. You'll see them from St. Andrews State Park looking south over the Gulf. No thunder, just silent sky spiders. Common July to September in the late night/early morning hours. These Gulf storms are a favorite to our local lightning photographers. Intra-cloud. The strobe light 3 out of 4 flashes here never hit ground. That constant flicker you see in a summer storm where the whole cloud glows. That's IC lightning. Panama City storms are wet and tall, so you get a lot of it. Positive lightning, the rare cannon. Only approximately 5% of strikes, but 10 times stronger, comes from the top of storms and hits miles ahead of rain, responsible for most fires and serious damage. Panhandle storms produce these when big systems push through in spring. The bolt fades away without several flashes. Thunder like a cannon blast can be heard and rumble for 40 seconds more. Now that is a lot of power. 3. Why Panama City gets lit up: sea breeze collision. Gulf breeze from the south meets land heated air. Daily in summer, updrafts equals thunderheads by 3 p.m. PC gets hit hard when storm approach from the east. Gulf storms coming ashore in the late night hours, making you jump out of bed, are common in summer. The Bay effect. After 27 years of storm chasing in this county, storm chaser and sky-worn spotter Joseph Mandeville noticed a pattern that Bay County's numerous bays often disrupt storms as they cross the water. Mandeville believes this might be because storms forming over hot land and moving over cooler water tend to lose strength, sometimes not even making it from Southport to Panama City. Similarly, storms coming off the Gulf in the late night hours tend to dissipate after moving onshore, not making it far inland. It is a pattern he sees each and every summer. The Gulf is a battery. Warm water feeds moisture nonstop. Boundaries between water and land create updrafts that boost cloud formation. Flat plus wet. No mountains to break storms up down here. Plus bays, lakes, and the Gulf give lightning lots of conductive targets. 4. PC specific quirks. Back bays equals risk zones. St. Andrews, Bay, West Bay, and Lake Powell see tons of strikes. Water conducts and boaters/fishermen are exposed. Most Florida lightning deaths happen during outdoor activities. Storms move fast. That 4 p.m. storm over Tyndall AFB can be over St. Andrews in 10 minutes. Don't wait for rain. Lightning leads. Off-season isn't safe. While June to August are worst, Florida still gets fall and winter lightning from cold fronts. February had 1 death. 5. Safety math for Panama City. Thunderstorms hit Florida 70 to 100 days each year. Your odds of being hit in a lifetime are 1 in 15,300. But Florida had 463 lightning deaths from 1959 to 2011, most of any state. PC rule, 5 seconds equals 1 mile between flash and boom. Under 30 seconds, you're in the strike zone. When thunder roars, go indoors. Beach, boat, golf course, none are safe. Wait 30 minutes after the last thunder. Bolt from the blue doesn't check clocks. Your summer soundtrack, 4 p.m. thunder. Your summer reality, Florida's sky doesn't mess around, even in the Panhandle. Have fun, be safe, and if you want to watch the storms, turn into the This Channel or Panhandle Weather with meteorologists Chris Smith and Dan Nyman. They have the tools and Storm Chase team to become the top in weather for the Panhandle area. Please support us.